When it comes to no-frills bodyweight training at home, the humble pull-up rack or pull-up bar, if you're short on space, is hard to beat. In this video, we'll review the best Sportsroyals pull-up bar, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different pull-up bars. By the end, you'll know exactly why the Sportsroyals pull-up bar is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The Sportsroyals pull-up bar power tower is a standout choice for anyone building a home gym, offering an exceptional blend of strength, versatility, and comfort. With a 450 pounds weight capacity, this machine ensures superior sturdiness and stability, allowing users to perform intense exercises like pull-ups, dips, and knee raises without any wobbling or safety concerns. Its multifunctional design supports a full-body workout by accommodating various exercises that target multiple muscle groups. The well-positioned pull-up bar offers multiple hand grips, encouraging different pull-up variations and making workouts more engaging and effective. Designed with comfort in mind, the 10-degree recline position, padded armrests, and adjustable backrest minimize joint strain and enhance exercise comfort. The 6 height adjustments and 7 backrest settings make it suitable for the entire family, regardless of height or fitness level. Despite its robust construction, the Sportsroyals pull-up bar is compact and space-efficient, ideal for smaller home gyms or garages. Users will also appreciate the easy assembly process, with clear instructions and labeled parts that allow quick setup so you can get started right away. Built from premium steel and durable materials, it holds up impressively well even after regular, intense use, showing no signs of wear or instability. Sportsroyals has clearly invested in thoughtful engineering and long-term quality, supported by their over 20 years of fitness equipment development. Backed by excellent customer service with a 12-hour response promise, the Sportsroyals pull-up bar is a reliable, all-in-one strength training solution that combines functionality, safety, and comfort. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or a seasoned athlete looking to level up your home gym setup, this power tower is an excellent investment in strength and health. Thanks for watching the video.